Hello with everybody, my name is Natalia Brito and I am developing the activity number 4 of the subject of culture and literature in English language. Okay, for this activity I have chosen the story The Magic Shop. This is a story written by H.G. Wells and in 1903. Okay. For the initial analysis, I am going to talk about the opening moves. The first thing that called my attention was the title because it has the word magic, and magic is always an interesting topic for me. So it make me think that it's a fantasy story, and it will be very interesting. Okay. Then we have the pattern. The pattern that I can notice in this story is that the principal character, the protagonist of the story, Jip, always express desire. He always speaks like, if I could, if I had, if I were. So he always seems to want more and more, and he shows curiosity all the time. Okay. Then I think that since the story is about fiction and fantasy, there's a little contrast in the part when Jip gets lost, because it seems like a little drama. It turns into a little drama. So the story has a little change here, but it makes interesting too. Okay, the feeling that I have in this story is very interesting. The atmosphere is very interesting because it, as I mentioned before, it talks about magic, and it helps the creativity and the curiosity of the reader goes beyond and beyond. Okay, now I'm going to start with the core questions. What it is about. The story, it's about the magic shop. It seems to be a product of the imagination. What would you like to know more about it? I would like to know what happens next and what happens with the objects Jip had on his hands when he appears in the story. What kind of text is it? I think it's a fantasy, as I mentioned before. It's a science fiction, because at the end of the story you can see that the magic shop maybe doesn't exist, so it's a fantasy story. Who is addressing whom? It seems like the narrator is the father and Jip is his son. Where is located? It is placed on London, and I think it was in 1903, the year, but I'm not sure about that. What kinds of words does the story use? The story is in an informal language because characters seems to know each other very well, and they have a close relationship. Why? The story happens because Jip wanted to get into the magic shop, so they get into the whole story in the magic shop. What if the text were changed? What if Jip would never appear? I think that if Jip would never appear, maybe his father would regret visiting the shop because he get lost for the situation, and he gets lost because of the magic of the shop. Okay, I hope you like it, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.